Best Large Sports Sedans for 2024 Volkswagen GTI. In the realm of large sports sedans, the 2024 Volkswagen GTI stands out as a distinguished choice, blending performance, practicality, and modern technology. As the latest iteration of Volkswagen's iconic hot hatch, the GTI continues to uphold its legacy of offering exhilarating driving dynamics while providing ample space for passengers and cargo. Under the hood, the 2024 Volkswagen GTI boasts a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 241 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. Paired with either a standard 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, the GTI offers responsive acceleration and precise gear shifts. The front-wheel drive configuration ensures agile handling and spirited driving dynamics, making it a delight to navigate through twists and turns. The GTI's dynamic prowess is further accentuated by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Volkswagen's adaptive damping system and sport-tuned suspension deliver a balance between comfort and performance, providing a smooth ride while maintaining excellent cornering capabilities. The GTI features high-performance brakes, offering confident stopping power and precise control even during spirited driving. Visually, the 2024 Volkswagen GTI exudes a sporty and aggressive demeanor, with its distinctive design elements and aerodynamic enhancements. Its exterior features a bold front grille with the iconic red GTI badge, stylish LED headlights, and dual exhaust tips. The GTI rides on 18-inch alloy wheels, further enhancing its athletic stance. Optional exterior packages allow drivers to customize the GTI's appearance according to their preferences, adding a touch of personalization. Inside the cabin, the GTI offers a modern and driver-centric environment, with a host of comfort and convenience features. The interior boasts sports seats with integrated headrests, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and ambient lighting. The GTI is equipped with Volkswagen's latest infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Volkswagen GTI. The sedan comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. These features provide added peace of mind and enhance overall driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 Volkswagen GTI offers a compelling combination of performance, practicality, and modern technology in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and spacious interior, the GTI promises an exhilarating driving experience that will appeal to enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike.